Turn right on 91st Street Southwest.
Wow, you're in a really big freaking rush.
So visit GoDodge.ca before January 31st to save up to 30% on a brand new vehicle.
But there it is. Alright, so quickly, let's touch on what's happening on the north side right now. 127th Street. Lisa, thank you for the 2 phone calls about this. 127th Street northbound is completely shut down starting at 140th Ave. It sounds like there's a vehicle that's rolled over and 6 more vehicles involved in this collision on top of it. When she called the first time, there were sirens in the background.
Turn left on 11th Street northwest.
You didn't have a phone. You had no sort of technology to call for help. I was out at my cabin a few winters ago, and it was a year where the weather was very up and down, this now family member says, and we had a ton of snow. So I'm heading across the lake on our quad, and I felt it start to sink a little bit. I will begin.
A Rachel Day.
Now, well. So, you know, think about your favorite show when you were a kid, because those old intros were so good. Mine is Canadian.
So you're not gonna go?
Does anyone remember a little show called The Littlest Hobo?
% on Ram 1500.
In 600 meters, turn left on Calgary Trail Northwest.
On Jeep Wranglers and 15% on Jeep Grand Cherokee. Plus, make no payments for 90 days only at GoDodge.
What the hell are you doing there?
Why do they still have Christmas stuff up?
They do? Oh, holy shit. It's been like a month. What the fuck are you doing? Did I see that right? They were... That sounds pretty far.
Because the wind was
going
towards us.
Oh, so the plane was fighting the wind the whole time.
Yeah. It was turbulence the whole way there. You couldn't even sleep.
In 1.6 kilometers, turn right on 106th Street Northwest.
Wow.
And she would like to hear some Man-Eater.
Whoa, what's going on here? What the fuck are you doing? Not the sharpest knife in the drawer there. God, you just have no idea what you're doing, man. Why don't you signal if you're going to parallel park? Oh, okay then. Just pull out in front of that person.
We ate so much, like we tried to eat as much as we could. Like the meat was
In 300 meters, exit right.
Oh, no headlights in the middle.
Yeah, they were full to bring our plates. After she ate it, she looked at us and said, "Oh my God, that's the best thing ever."
Turn left on 23 Avenue Northwest.
Chairs had butts in them, they weren't filled.
Yeah.
So she's
Like Jim, you whip out a burger and fries.
Turn right on 105th Street Northwest.
bet. Were you worried about your purse getting ruined?
You might be better off changing lanes after the intersection instead of blocking a lane like that.
It was all in its bag, so I mean, I don't know how it could have gotten ruined, you know?
Like the jumbo-sized Tupperware container, and she would fill that thing, and then she would go play bingo after and eat it. She would eat at the buffet, fill up on that, and then eventually go to the bingo halls.
Nice signal, asshole. Okay, that was... You had tons of time to stop for that. You just completely ran that. Oh, nice stuff there. That was a little close. Why doesn't this guy honk? Like, he actually just sat through that entire cycle. I don't get why you don't honk. Wow, that really dumped, man. Oh, okay then.
Arming your pockets with 25 grand in cash. Not only that, but you'll also be entered to win one of a dozen other prizes. First in line to save thousands of dollars on a car, truck, or SUV months. If you want freedom from glasses and contacts, this is the plan you've been waiting for. Book your free consultation today at LASIKMD.com. Annual interest rate of up to 21.9% and minimum payments required after 12-month period. Turn right on 40 Avenue Northwest.
Why is this school bus just sitting here? I'm surprised no one honks at the guy.
There you go.
What the actual fuck was that behind me? You good? Oh, and the guy behind me went too. What the hell? What the hell are you doing? Oh, old man. And now he's not signaling. Oh, we got a jaywalker though.
Oh well.
Easy Financial can help you pay off your holiday bills. No one likes you.
In 300 meters, turn left, then turn right.
Daily cash prizes in our Pay Your Bills contest. Or bargain up the wrong tree holiday bill. Easy Financial, hurry! Contest ends February 2nd. Rules at easyfinancial.com. Apply online or at over 300 locations today. Real talk, people. Now banks are saying, take starting get $300. Then you can take 3 every time at Petro Canada and on that one with no financing.
That's the way first to the side, you could easily, like, they would not see. Unless they actually left the room, but they're not going to do that. Why am I turning here?
I don't know.
Force of habit, I'll just wait for this guy to go.
Oh, last second decision.
Yeah, that's stupid of me.
She could have won in a video.
Oh yeah, if I saw someone do that, they would have been in the video for sure. Stupid force of habit me. Yay, I made a last second decision.